back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Right here, today, Powerstroke Products 6.7 Ford Head Gasket Kit. Let me tell you what, you saw that little opening and going through. There's a lot in here. So right here, have your valve cover gaskets with intake, because the 6.7 Scorpion engine is absolutely stellar. So cool. Anyways, that's your valve cover gasket with the intake manifold gasket. Right here we have your head gaskets, multi-layer steel head gasket. Come all pre-sealed, ready to go. Of course, Powerstroke Products color is red, so they're going to come in red. We have exhaust manifold gaskets, up pipe gaskets, dowels for your heads, valve seals if you want to change them. Not a bad idea. If you're not putting new Powerstroke Products heads on, not a bad idea to change these. If you're putting new Powerstroke Products heads on, these go in the trash can. Don't need them. Don't deal with it. Totally up to you. Of course, you got your vacuum pump seal gaskets, turbo gaskets, turbo pedestal, EGR cooler gaskets, miscellaneous, or these are injector O-rings. This is what's really cool about this kit. It is all inclusive. Every gasket you could ever need. All the ones that you can't get from Ford because they're a pain in the ass. New injector copper washers. It is a very thorough kit, and it's in stock and ready to ship. Thermostat housing gaskets. We already talked about the injectors. Now, when you're doing your 6.7 Powerstroke heads, these little rascally guys, they're a pain in the butt. A lot of kits don't come with new bolts, injector hold down bolts. Well, these do. Yes, we have some upgraded options if you wanted to go with the billet ones. But if you don't want to, you want to slap this thing back together, these are crucial and nice that a kit comes with them. And the Powerstroke Products head gasket set comes with them. And comes with new lines. So if you're doing this because you blew a head gasket and CP4 failed on you, I mean, let's be honest, it happens. Awesome, awesome upgrade right here. New lines ready to go. Total of 8. And last but not least, if you guys have never taken an exhaust up pipe kit apart and had to fight these guys out and then hope you don't break them going back in, the concept here is to give you the most inclusive, all-inclusive, one place, ready to go gasket set you can get. Complete top end kit, top end, from heads up, everything, okay? Including up pipe, dang it, including your up pipe clamps and your turbo to up pipe clamp, okay? Anyways, brain farting a little bit today, my bad. Okay, you've got all your EGR cooler gaskets in here. You've got your exhaust clamps in here, your injector hold downs, your injector lines, your head gaskets, your valve cover gaskets, your exhaust manifold gaskets. You name it, it's available in this kit. It's all back to the Powerstroke Products warranty, in stock and ready to ship. These kits are right around 450 bucks. You're not going to beat that price to top it off, okay? I think they're right at 449, I want to say, shipped. And we can include a set of head studs with it, because if you're taking the heads off, there's no point in putting head bolts back on. Head studs are where it's at. So for less than $1,000 you can stud your 6.7 Powerstroke. And if you want to throw some new O-ring heads on, you can do that while you're doing it as well, and include those. We have those on the website as well, okay? But if you're just like, you know what, I popped a head gasket, I'm not going to do anything crazy with this truck. I just want to make sure that it's going to hold when I'm towing 20,000 pounds. Let's get you some studs. Let's get you this incredible gasket set, the most inclusive, complete gasket set we have ever seen for the 6.7 Powerstroke. Let's get you these headed your way, so that way you can stud that truck and have confidence, peace of mind, reliability, all of those things, and not worrying about, you know what, the gasket set I got from the local auto parts store doesn't have dowels. The gasket set I got from Joe's website doesn't have your Y-bridge gaskets. All of those things are just crucial to have when you have a kit. I can tell you right now, and for instance, my K5 sitting here, I don't know if the camera can see that. Can it see that? Well, anyways, the K5 sitting here, and we're putting an engine in it, and now we're at a standstill waiting on parts. Yeah, that guy. Beautiful truck. It's my baby. Yeah, I know, it's weird that I have a gasser as a baby. But that's what got me interested into this aftermarket world, I'll say that, okay? So, this is the 6.7 Powerstroke Products head gasket set. We have these in stock and ready to ship. Here is a complete list of everything that it comes with as well, just so you know. And yeah, give us a call if you've got any questions. 1-800-577-2698. It's pretty straightforward. It's a gasket set, multi-layer steel head gaskets. Comes with everything you need. 450 bucks. Grab a set of head studs. 450 bucks. Under $1,000. Your 6.7 Powerstroke is studded and ready to handle that 20,000 pound load behind it. 1-800-577-2698. Check them out on blessperformance.com. We really appreciate it. Give us a call if you got any questions.